it's Holly, and today I wanted to get on here and just talk to you about a few quick things. Yesterday I had my glasses feel crooked. There we go, that's better. I had a shop update, and I had some new bags that I made put up on the shop, and there seems to be a big confusion. I do not have an Etsy anymore. I left Etsy. I did not like Etsy. I didn't like their policies. I left Etsy. There is no Etsy, okay? There is only, I sell all my stuff. My glasses, my shirt's I'm all crooked today, whatever. I sell everything on theproperpineapple.com, which will be linked down below in the description box. It will now be the first link that you see when you get down there. So that is where you can find all of my stuff. And currently I have all my patterns up on there, which you can also find on Ravelry and LoveCrafts. I have a bunch of shawl cuffs still that are great. And you guys, I have some new shawl cuffs coming out that are really fun. You're going to love these. Let me just tell you, super fun, super out of the box. Love them. Wish I could show you right now. But anyways, and then I still have some project bags, and I thought since I didn't get to show you them, I should show you them. So I have, well, let me see, I got a little bit of a hot mess here, so hold on. Let me set these guys to the side. First, I want to show you this glamping bag, which I love. It says, "We don't camp, we glamp." It is made from cotton duct, which is almost like it has these like triangles in it, and that's so cute. It's almost like a canvas, so it's really thick, really durable. This bag will last forever, so that's why this one, the fabric was a little more money, so it cost a little bit more than my other bags, but not bad. And I have 3 of the large ones, or do I have 2? No, I have 3. For some reason my stack is a bit messed up. 3 large ones that are 14 by 14. They're so super cute. So as of me filming this video, I still have those. I have, I believe, yep, that's it, 2 of these large pineapples. Look at this, you guys. Does that go focus? They're little like beachgoer pineapples. It's the cutest thing. And then on the inside, it's like a turquoisey polka dots. So cute. I love that one. I'm going to stack them so that I don't get them messed up. I have... Do I have any more of this? Or did this sell quick? This one sold quick. I have 1 tiny flamingos. Look at all the flamingos, you guys. And this one is one of my favorites because the inside... I'm sorry, the lighting is so bad in here. It's a dark day. The inside you cannot see is this beautiful, let me see if I get it up close. Will it pick it up? It's a glittery turquoise interior. It's so adorable, you guys. So adorable. Let me see my camera. Boop. Ah, there I am. Okay, so we got that one. Let's see. I have 1 of these large yellow animals left. 1 of them. Isn't that crazy? Everybody loved these, so I've got 1 left. You know, where's my phone? Let me check real quick because somebody wrote me about their large yellow animal one. And I'm feeling like my store is showing that I don't have it. Let me just see, because you guys, I've got to make sure I have it correctly for you guys. Manage the store. Products. See. Yep, nope, I have 1. I don't know why earlier I didn't. But it's beautiful animals. Love it. The interior is these beautiful pink flowers. So super pretty. I just have 1 large of this one. And I am sorry. I think I said I had a large of this. This is a medium. This one is 11 by 11. Then I think, let's see, this one, I have 2 of these large, beautiful flower pattern. Isn't this pretty? Oh, I love this. And look at the blue on the inside. So pretty. I got 2 large of that one left as of today. Again, these might be sold by the time you guys get to the website, but I'm just trying to share because I should have made a video and had it up when the shop update went live, but I just didn't. I have 2 of my favorite gnome bags. Love it. I'm still thinking about keeping one of these, so if you want one, you should buy it quickly because I might end up buying it. But look at these cute gnomes. It's just adorable. It's just the cutest. And the inside is this beautiful red and white zigzag. So cute. I really do think I want to buy that one. Well, I made it, so just keep it, I suppose. Anyways, this was one of my favorites. It's the Cats with Hats bags, is what I called it. And it has got all these cats wearing ridiculously silly other animal hats. They're It's too cute. And on the inside of this bag is this beautiful, it's like a little checkered, but they're like, it's not gonna focus. Let's see, there we go. The little triangles. So cute. I have 2 large of that one. That's another one that by the time you see it, I might only have 1 large. I have 1 medium camper bag. It's these cute little campers. The inside, sorry if it's loud, people are driving by on their 4 wheels. Little polka dots, gray polka dots. Got 1 medium of that. Hold on, because I had a couple bags I had sat over here, and I don't want to get them mixed up. Oddly, nobody bought any of these yet, and I just don't think they can appreciate the awesomeness of this bag. Look at this. It's paint splatter. Isn't it the cutest? I love this so much. Totally reminds me of the 90s. And the inside is a black and white paint splatter, which I love so much. I have 2 large and a medium. I am considering keeping one of these for sure because look, okay guys, the string is a rainbow tie-dye string. So let me tighten it so you can see how it fades to all these colors. Isn't that the cutest? I might end up keeping one of these too, guys. Maybe I'm just making bags so that I can keep them. That's what I told Mr. Pineapple and he said no. This one's also one that I love. I have 2 large of what I'm calling space unicorns. Look at this beautiful unicorny spaceness. So adorable. And we just went with a navy chevron on the inside. And this has that rainbow string in it too. So love it. I have 2 large of that one. And then I have 1 of these. Everybody loved these, so I've got 1 left. That's all I've got. It is the Names of the Lord. Put that up. Anybody can see it. Let's see if you can see. And on the inside, I found this fabric that has Bible verses and just quotes and stuff like that. Really, really cute. Really cute bag. I have 1 large left of that. So that is all the bags that I have, you guys, for right now. As of when I filmed this video, which is Friday night. I'm filming this and uploading it for Saturday morning, assuming that my computer and my internet all cooperate. So that is the update as far as bags, shawl cuffs, all of that. You can find all of my stuff that I sell on theproperpineapple.com, not Etsy. I don't sell on Etsy ever again, okay? So anyways, don't do it. Now, one other thing I wanted to talk to you guys about, because aside from just showing you the things I've made, I wanted to ask you. So both winners of the 4th of July giveaway have not contacted me. And the month is coming to an end and I'm getting ready to do September's giveaway. What do you guys want me to do? Do you want me to pick new winners based on that video, the video that came out in July? Do you want me to pick winners under this video? What do you want to do? If I get a majority of people that say pick under this video, under my next podcast, I will just pick from this video. If you want me to just save it and roll it into some other giveaways, just give me the majority down there, guys, of what you guys want. Let me know, because seriously, like, they both didn't contact me. That's never happened before. It was the red, white, and blue yarn by Paintbox, and it was a bag I made, a little 4th of July little mini bag, a tiny. Oh, and quickly, speaking of bags, from now on, I'm going to have 3 sizes of bags. I'll have large, medium, and small bags. So that's something to look forward to. And the next shop update of bags will be in a week or so, and they are going to be Halloween bags. Okay, guys? So that we'll have cute little bags to do. My nose is all itchy. We'll have adorable bags to do our Halloween crochet in. And like I said, you guys, there's a car driving by. I have, do you hear the rocks that are in front of my camper? Anyways, I have the cutest new shawl cuffs coming out very soon. Stay tuned. You're gonna love them. I will probably announce them at my next podcast, which will be in a day or 2. So a couple of days, tops. But anyways, another car. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I'll talk to you later.